Here we are, December 13th, 2013.
Friday the 13th.
It is Friday the 13th.
I don't have a hat on. I need a hat.
Daryl needs a hat. We are about to fire this thing up for the first time since the rebuild. Check out those custom valve covers so we can mess with the valves while it's running. We got to break in the cam for 20 minutes, so see if we can keep it going for that long. But this will be the first time it's run in a while.
Long while.
I'm excited. I don't know about you. Nice
Sure
hat.
car. Thanks.
I'll put my face in here so it's proof. Okay. Here goes nothing. Right. Ready?
Go. Again.
What the heck is this? Smoke? Oh, that's because it's cold outside. But what is this rumbly sound I hear? Where's this coming from? Whoa! It's alive! It's alive! Yeah, we kind of rigged things up a little.